Hello dear students, first of all, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear student, today I am going to teach you an interesting passage. Before going to my topic, I have a question to you, dear students. Can you say the most important ethnics who contribute a lot in order to improve our modern civilization? Can you say? Yes, there are many ethnic groups. They are Shawtal, Marman, Hazam, Bede, etc. Is it? Okay. Dear student, today I am going to teach you on this type of topic. Okay, it is river gypsies in Bangladesh. Okay, dear student. Okay, open unit 7, lesson 3. Okay, dear student. Before going to teach or going to our main topics, as usual, take the new word. Okay, it is very interesting. Today's new words are very important. Okay, write down. First of all, gypsy. Okay, it is noun. Can you make any sentence by this word? Gypsy. Yes, gypsy plus an important role. Okay, in our society. Okay, gypsy means Bede. Bedera ki korbe? Do you know what do the gypsy do? Do you know? Yes, they go to rural areas and give some herbal treatment. Okay. Ethnic. Next word, ethnic. Ethnic. Can you make any sentence by this word? Ethnic. This is adjective. Okay. Ethnic people. Okay, there are many ethnic groups in Bangladesh. Okay, good. Ethnic means niritatik. Niritatik, ethnic. Next, nomadic. Okay, do you know what is this? Nomadic. Can you make any sentence? Nomadic. Dear student, nomadic. Yes. Nomadic. Some people like nomadic lifestyle. Okay, Jajawar. Okay, dear student, Jajawar. Okay, it is also adjective. Okay, look, write down. Next, Rom. Okay, it is also adjective. Next word, Rom. Okay, it is verb. Rom. Do you know? Rom. How do you roam here? Okay, it may be a simple sentence. Okay, Rom. Okay, Brahman Kora. Next word, tarpaulin. Okay, dear student, tarpaulin, it is also noun. Tarpaulin. Can you make any sentence tarpaulin? Okay, poor people in rural area use tarpaulin to make their shelter. Okay. Okay, tarpaulin means polythene. Polythene, tripola. Okay, tripola means tripa, etc. Okay, cover something. It is also used as the roof. Okay, of a cottage in rural areas. Okay. Okay. Or slum area in towns. Okay, dear student, tent. Tent. Okay, tent. Can you make any sentence? It is noun. Tabu. Okay. Old people in ethnic group or take rest in tent. Okay, remedy. Remedy. Okay. Look here. Remedy means it is also noun. Okay. Potika. Remedy. Remedy. Okay. Next. Bend. Bend. This is verb. Okay. Write down. Make sentence. Bend. Okay, bend. Okay. The gypsies man bend Bheshas, okay, medicine to cure magically. Okay, bend, heal. Heal. Okay, look here. It is also verb. Okay, dear student. Next, heal. Okay, sometimes that the people can heal the sick people in rural areas. Okay, talisman. Talisman. Okay, it is also noun. That is tabiz. Tabiz. Okay, look here. The superstition. Okay. The old people in rural areas or slum areas in town, they believe in talisman. Okay, but in modern age, modern people. Okay, as you, I think that you shouldn't believe in talisman. Okay, this is only those who are work, or sometimes they use in sophistication style to cure the sick people, okay, by giving talisman. So we shouldn't believe in it. Do you understand? Okay, dear student, I have given you new words, and it is your duty to write down these new words and make new sentence by using all these new words. Okay, dear students. Okay, let's start our today's topic. Okay, dear student. Look, river gypsies are an ethnic group of people in Bangladesh. That means they are an important part of Bangladesh. Who? The ethnic people. In ethnic people, it may be nomad or gypsy, it may be Santal, Moran, etc. They are known as Bede to local people. That is, in local people, okay, they are known as Bede. You know, they use little middle or 40s, okay, and they live here. Okay, dear student, the gypsies have their own lifestyle and culture. That means these people have their own lifestyle. Okay, they go to their own way. They don't follow the rule of government. Okay, they live in groups and do not own any land. That means they have no fixed place. As we have fixed place to live, but Bede, those who are Bede, they don't have any fixed place to live. They have they don't have any cultivable land, arable land, or permanent land where they can stay for a long time. Okay, as we pass living on place 50 years, 15 years, 60 years, 100 years, but they don't like this. Therefore, they live on a nomadic life, and that is why they live a nomadic life and traveling from one place to another, and then one place to another. Okay, as they don't have any fixed place, that is why they go one place to another. Okay, these people roam across our rivers and waters from May to December in a small country boats. That means they use a small boat. Okay, they use a small boat and they live on the boat, and they travel on one place to another. That means one river to another river, one canal to another canal. That means where is water, they live there. Okay, they are there. Okay, good. Next. These boats are their houses, and these people are a part of our water. That means they, as the land, mainstream is the part and parcel of our life. Just like water. Okay, water is the part and parcel of their life. Okay, if there is no water, there will be no existence of this type of name. Okay. In winter, many water dries off. Okay, that means in winter, we know in winter season, water dry. Okay, rivers dry. That is why they come to the main stream. The next lines here. Water in winter. At that time, they return to the mainland and live in the makeshift tarpaulin tents. That means in winter season, when they don't need to, there is no water in river or canal. Okay, they come to mainland, and they make tarpaulin. Okay, tent by using tarpaulin. Okay, and live here. At the time, okay, open river yards, a river bank. Here is a beautiful picture here. If you watch, okay, this is very it is the main example that this is water and here is the beach. Okay, and they come here. Okay, dear students, makeshift and in makeshift tarpaulin tent on open bank rivers. Okay, you can see their men relaxing in the tent. That means men, most of the time men. That means men take rest in the tent, and women go to the blaze women, especially women, and especially when men in modern civilization do not exist in house in absence of their husband. They go to their wives and blaze women to tempt. Okay, to tempt them. Again, toddlers play with dogs or other pets in the dust. That means the children, okay, most of the time children take rest and they play with their pet dogs and dust. When women open idly away time by urine, urging, picking up lice or in twos or threes sitting in a row. Very interesting here. That means, okay, look here. Women, especially those who are virgin, okay, young girls, they most of the time they stay at home and they pick up lice like this. So here one is here, okay, and one is here, okay, and they take, okay, one is here, okay, like this, okay, sitting on, that means one take another, and here he can take its lice, okay, they pick up, okay, and those sitting in a row. Throughout the monsoon, they remain busy with fishing. That means in rainy season, okay? In rainy season, during rainy season, they are very busy. Okay, fishing in the river, fishing in the canal, fishing in the canal, etc. Okay? They also dive for natural parts in water. That means in natural park, they sometimes they collect natural parts. As you see in how dead bird discovers parts. In the topic I told you how parts are discovered. Okay, here is another example that they also dive for natural parts in water. That means they dive in the water and collect parts from the oysters. Okay. Sometimes they camp for a couple of weeks. That means if they set up their tent, that is, if they okay. Like this, just if they open their tent, okay, set up their tent, they may stay here 2 or 3 couple of weeks, okay. That means 7 or more, okay, more it is. Okay. 7 or more days. If the situation is comfortable or favorable, okay, they stay here for 7 days or more days. Okay, they also done. Sometimes they camp for a couple. Men catch snakes and entertain the people with snake charming. That is why if the pupil, okay, the man, okay, man go to the village area and catch a snake and they show, okay, their magical power to entertain the pupil by using these pet snakes. Okay, sometimes this snake bite them and they face death. And sell herbal cures. That means by chanting them, by showing the snake charming, okay, dance of the snake, they earn money by giving them herbal cures. Women go from door to door to sell bangles, cosmetics and other things. That means women go from door to door to sell their bangles, cosmetics, etc. and they take more money. They also try to heal pains of all people often by sucking out blood from their body. That means actually for old people in rural areas, they suffer from gut and they assured that they can cure this pain by sucking blood. Do you understand? That is, they pick some needles on here or here, and they suck it, and blood came out, and they show that this is the bad blood, and for this blood you are suffering. Okay, like this. Many villagers live in the magical power of the villagers. That means gypsies. That means some people believe them, some people don't believe them. This and by making this decision, they sometimes they earn money. They can make an evil spirit leave someone's body by magic or special power. That means they show some special powers, and they show that if you don't give us money, if you continue this pain, you will face death, etc. By showing this panic or terror, they earn money. Okay, dear students, I always advise not to believe this directly. Okay, dear students, in the meantime, I have completed my today's topic, and now it is for questions for you who are gypsies. You know, those who live in 1 plus 10 other, they are gypsies. Okay, how they live, and they live on sometimes on roads, sometimes mainstream, etc. like this. Okay, in this section B, there is I have some alternative questions here. Look the best answer. Okay, dear student, open and try to compare my answer with you. Okay, the term ethnic is connected to what is answer? People, number one. Number two, river gypsies roam around on their boats about 7 days. Okay. Number three, river gypsies live in tents in winter. Okay, the term nomadic refers to the person who travels from one place to another. Okay, dear students, now it is time to take the home task. Okay, dear student, write down task. Okay, write down very quickly. Home task. Okay, write down. I will give you today 3 paragraphs. Okay, number one. Write a paragraph on number one. Okay, a bookyard. Okay, number two, write down a school garden. School garden. Number three, a street hawker. Okay, dear students, write down this. Okay, I hope you have completed it, dear students. No more today. Next day we will meet again if Allah helps us and allow us. Okay, dear students, stay home and stay safe by the grace of Almighty Allah, and say your prayer 5 times a day. Last of all, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.